Hey guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cute little makeup tutorial using my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. And to start off the look, we're just going to be moisturizing our face with the Pink Juice Moisturizer from Glow Recipe. And of course I'm starting off with my eyebrows using my Anastasia Dipbrow in the shade Taupe. And I'm just brushing that through anywhere that I need it using my e.l.f. brush. And next I'm just going to be concealing the top of my eyebrows using my Fenty concealer in the shade 150 and a small flat synthetic brush. And I don't normally go underneath, but today I did just a little bit just to make them have an extra little pop. And I'm also using the Benefit in number 3. I'll have it linked in the description because I don't really know the name of it, to be honest. And next I'm just setting my lids using the soft ochre paint pot. And for primers today I'm using my Tatcha one and the Marc Jacobs one for the under eyes. Together I think these two are really good primers. And next I'm going in with my Luminous Silk Foundation by Georgio Armani in the shade number 5. I really love this foundation. Honestly, I've been using it every single day since I got it. And I don't honestly know if I'm going to ever find another foundation that I love as much as this one because it's just so good. And next I'm going to be highlighting the face using my Fenty concealer in the shade 150. I really love this concealer, but I do avoid the under eyes just because they do tend to crease with this concealer for me. And I'm going to be setting that using the Marc Jacobs loose setting powder in Invisible. I've been trying to bake lately, but this powder doesn't really bake as well as some other ones. And next I'm just going to be contouring my nose using the Smashbox contour kit. And I really love this one. As you guys know, I use it every single day without a doubt. And I like to use the yellow shade in this palette as well, just to highlight. And next I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer, which is pretty much my go-to bronzer. I just really love it. It's the perfect shade and undertone for my skin and depth. And of course we're just bronzing up the neck a little bit. And next I'm going into my Carly Bible Deluxe palette for some highlighter. I really love all the highlighters in this palette, especially the peachy one that I'm putting on today. It just goes with almost every look that I pair with it. And of course just adding a little bit to the bridge of the nose and the tip of the nose. And next I'm just going to be highlighting my inner corners with the white shade in this palette. And next I'm going in with my Pool Party Blush Trio from Anastasia. And I really love this shade because it goes with almost every look as well. And going into the shade Dusty Rose, I'm just putting that in windshield wiper motions and circular motions on the outer corner and building that up in the crease. I really love this shade. It reminds me of Blonde Fresco, which is my favorite shade from Anastasia's collection. And next I'm just going to be taking Rose Pink and then Sultry on the lid just to create a little bit of depth and dimension. And the camera doesn't really pick it up that great, but it is a really nice foiled shade and it's really soft and pretty. And I'm just building that up on the crease and blending that top edge. And here we're going in with Sultry just on the outer lid to create some dimension before we go in with the black. And next I'm just going in with Noir from the same palette, which is a matte deep black. and I'm just using the smallest circular motions and blending motions to go into those other shades, trying to keep it as controlled as possible. And if you do have a clean blending brush, I would definitely recommend to blend the outer edge. It's really easy to go overboard, but you don't get fallout if you do keep it a little bit controlled. And I'm just going underneath the eyes with Cypress Umber really softly, just to create a little bit more of a soft brown look. And of course, just finishing up with my Benefit mascara in Roller Lash, the black one. And next I'm just going to be using my Velvet Matte lipstick from Victoria's Secret. I hope you guys like this look. Thank you so much for watching. Please check the description for my social media if you guys want to follow me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys want to see next.